All right, let's look at this one. So I'm going to break this down into two different triangles. I've got this larger one here, okay? And I know that this whole angle is 28. This is 90 degree, okay? So I can find this missing angle here. So the sum of angles is 180. So we just subtract out what we have, and that is 62. Okay, and then the other triangle I'm going to work with is going to be this smaller triangle. Okay, and there's a little missing angle in here as well. So this one I can find. Oh, hang on. There's one little mistake. This should be 20. The whole angle is 28. Okay, and so for that one, I have 180 minus 90 minus 20. All right, so that one is 70. Okay, so now I'm going to use right triangle trig on this larger blue triangle, and I'm going to find y. Okay, so I'm going to use, for this angle 28, I have an adjacent, that's my 120. Okay, and then I have a hypotenuse, so I'm going to use cosine of 28 equals let's see, adjacent, so 120 over hypotenuse. Okay, and then I can set cross products equal. I would get 120 is equal to cosine of 28 times y, and then divide both sides by cosine of 28. And that gives us that y is approximately 135.9. Okay, 135.9. All right, and now I'm going to work on, let's see, I need that x, and so having this triangle, this 70-degree angle is really helpful, because then that can tell me what this missing angle is in there. A flat angle is 180, so that would mean that this is 110. And now I can use law of sines on my upper triangle here and solve for x. Okay, so we have this angle and its opposite side, and then I have this angle and its opposite side. So I can set up law of sine. So I would take sine of 8 over its adjacent side, or its opposite side of x, and then sine of 110 over its opposite side, 135.9. Okay, and then we set cross products equal. So we would have 135.9 times sine of 8 is equal to x times sine of 110, and we'll just divide by sine of 110. And we get that x is approximately 20. All right, there we go.